Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to highlight your text in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to create a new document on Adobe InDesign or open your document and follow the simple steps. So the first thing that I will do in this example is to create a placeholder text like this, and I'm going to fill it with the placeholder text. And now I'm going to start my example on any title or any characters that I want. So let's suppose that I want to highlight these characters or these parts of text. Now I will need to have like the character panel. So I'm going to do window and search for type in tables and choose characters. Now I'm going to the expand options or these three lines or multiple lines icon and click on it. And now I'm going to search for underline option and click on it. And now make sure that you check in preview and click on underline on, and now you can search the color of your underline. So let's make it magenta for example, and now you can add the weight of your highlight and just decrease the offset so it will be in the middle of your highlight. So I'm going to add a little bit of offset, and I want my highlight to be like this. You can do it however you want in your text. So basically I'm having this highlight, and each time that you want to highlight you will need to do the same thing, but this is kind of annoying. And now I'm going to show you how to preset or save these presets of highlights in your document. So basically I'm going to select my highlighted text, and I will go to the character styles. Here, if you cannot find it in your working space, you will go again to window, search for type in tables and character styles, or just go to styles and search for the character styles, and you will have this menu. So this is my character style, and now I can create a new style like this. And whenever you are going to select a text and select this character style, you will have your characters that will be highlighted or taken the same style as the previous text. You can name it here, you can just rename it highlight with pink color or magenta, or you can do whatever you want with this style. So basically those are the methods or the ways and steps to highlight your text. Thank you for watching and see you next time.